Hello, beautiful people. Task number 3 inside web application security, inside Introduction to Cybersecurity module. This task will investigate a vulnerable website that uses insecure direct object reference, or IDOR for short. IDOR falls under the category of broken access control. Broken access control means that an attacker can access information or perform actions not intended for them. Consider the case where a web server receives user-supplied input to retrieve objects that are files, data, or documents, and that they are numbered sequentially. Let's say that the user has permissions to access a photo named whatever name. We might guess that there are also the next one, the next one, the next one. However, the web application should not provide us with the image, even if we figure out this name. In general, in IDOR, vulnerability can occur if too much trust has been placed on that input data. In other words, the web application does not validate whether the user has permission to access the requested object. Just providing the correct URL for a user or a product does not necessarily mean that the user should be able to access the URL. For instance, considering the product page. Here we have the product page from the store of TryHackMe, and here we have a query. Select all from products, where product ID equals 52. We can expect this URL to provide details about the product number 52. In the database, items would be assigned numbers sequentially. The attacker would try other numbers, such as 51 or 53 instead of 52. This might reveal other retrieved or unreleased products if the web application is vulnerable. Let's consider a more critical example. We have a URL, the same website. We are again in the store of TryHackMe, and here we query everything from the customers where the user ID is 16. This will return the user with the ID of 16. Again, we expect the user to have sequential ID numbers. The attacker would try other numbers and possibly access the user account. This vulnerability might work with sequential files. For instance, if the attacker sees 007.txt, good reference, the attacker might try other numbers such as 001, 006, and 008. Similarly, if your ID number 16 and ID number 17 was another user, by changing the ID to 17, you could see sensitive data that belongs to another user. Likewise, they can change the ID to 16 and see sensitive data that belongs to you. Of course, we assume here that the system is vulnerable to IDOR. Here we have the practical exercise. Right, we see inventory. We are inside the, let's go to the main page. This is the main page. We see the inventory of managed systems, and here are orders. 2 orders for each item. We have 3 items. Planned shipments. We have the same 6 items planned for shipment. The inventory, we still have some in the inventory, and our activity. Employee ID. Here we can see, let's change this. Let's go to 01. User not found. Let's go to 1. Oh, we found the president. Inventory management system. Employee ID number 1. Name, ledger, president. Deposizione. I presume we have to cancel some orders or something. Let's see what TryHackMe needs. I'll click on View Site and let's see this in action. You will see a page showing an inventory management system. If you click on Planned Shipments tab, you will discover that an attacker has managed to mix things up as part of sabotage plan. Notice how they send the wrong tires to each assembly line. All right, let's see. Here we can see bike assembly. We have sport motorcycle tires and winter scooter tires. For scooters, we have tires for a road bike and some for a motorcycle. And for a motorcycle assembly, we have tires from a mountain bike and a racing scooter. All right, we will hack the system back and undo the attacker step. On your activity, you can see the activity of one of the users. We have reasons to believe that this website has an IDOR vulnerability. Yes, we saw that under your activity, we see user IDs. Let's see, what if we go down? Warehouse supervisor, Anton. What if we go to 9? Oh, and we found the database administrator at the employee ID number 9. See that we can revert any action that was made by our hacker, and Alia fixed the inventory. Pretty cool. Here we have the flag. Pretty awesome.